Guilty as charged. Check out how much dirt this dog has left on the couch. It's winter though, but seriously, I started having to cover this couch because I can't keep up with the dog. He gets too dirty too fast this time of year. It's too cold to give him too many baths. So up, come on, he can come up here. You ever notice how dogs put their faces between your leg all the time? Look, if you take a warm towel, get some warm water on this, right? Not cold, but warm, and not too moist. Like just, it's got some water in it, but not too much. Guess what that feels like to a dog? When they rub their eyes, and they rub their nose, and they rub their ears all between your legs or on your dress and stuff. You can satisfy that need that they have. Look, this is what their mom would have done, right? If you don't want to do this, then it's going to wipe its face on you. You can get his ears. He doesn't even care because it's just like if you were his mom and you were cleaning him, right, when he was a kid, and, wipe all that face down. He likes it. And look how relaxed he is. Get some of the dirt off, right? Not much, but that's at least a little bit better. Anyway, that's one way to make your dog cleaner. Keep your furniture and clothes a little cleaner. Down, down. See how relaxed he is? Get down. Watch, I'll give him a firm command. Down. Down. What? Right, see, then he sheds like crazy, so some of that hair's not going to come off. You just clean him a little bit. Not much, Anyway, he likes it.